Hey guys, hope y'all are doing well. I got a new video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about my Type 5 mods for your new car that you just bought. So let's say you just got a new car, right? And you start looking for your first mod. Next thing you know, you're looking at a bunch of new car parts and don't know where to start. So I'm here to help you guys out. So let's start off with a quick honorable mention. Let's say you just got a WRX or a GTI or something similar to that. First thing you want to do is get the Cobb access port. This little thing will unlock so much more for your car. For around $700, it will allow you to tune your car, and it offers as a scan tool / code reader. It will also let you log a bunch of your car stats and keep track of them. This is the first thing I would recommend if you have one of these vehicles. And just a quick FYI, it's not just for Subarus and Volkswagens. There's a whole bunch of more support with Cobb. Alright guys, the first thing I would do is a catback exhaust. This will help your car have better exhaust flow, and also, who doesn't love hearing their exhaust note? If you guys have a naturally aspirated vehicle, which means non-boosted, so no turbo or supercharger, you should be fine without getting a tune, but I would still get one just to be safe with your engine. And if you are supercharged or turbocharged, you will for sure want to at least get an OTS tune, if not a Pro Tune. And an OTS tune is an off-the-shelf tune which Cobb and other companies offer for your vehicle. Every time you guys get a power modification, you always want to make sure you get the tune or a Pro Tune that goes along with it. That way you are safe with your engine and you're not risking it blowing up. Usually the catback won't void your warranty, but you want to double check with your dealer that sold you the vehicle if it will void your warranty. And if your car doesn't have warranty, fuck it, send it. The second thing I would do is get a cold air intake. Some people say that it's just a noise addition, and others say that it actually increases your power. I'm not here to discuss that with you guys today. I'm here to just tell you my things that I would do. I would definitely get a cold air intake. The cold air intake will offer better airflow into your engine. Make sure to get an OTS tune or the Pro Tune if you guys do get the cold air intake. If you guys want, you can buy them at the same time, and that way you can get a tune for both at the same time. It'll be a lot cheaper than going to get separate Pro Tune. The third thing I would do would be getting new wheels and coilovers. Nothing changes the look like getting new wheels and coilovers on your vehicle. I put these together because they go hand in hand. You'd be surprised how much the car will change with just wheels and coils. If you have a new vehicle and you're doing these modifications on your car, this will void your warranty, but you will get another warranty with the coilover manufacturer. In my opinion, this is the best way you can change the look of your car early on your modification journey. Alright guys, let's say the car that you just bought, 1, didn't come with tint, or 2, the tint that you have on it you don't really like. That would be another thing that I would recommend doing. One of the worst things you could do is drive around in a fishbowl. Nobody likes that. Nobody wants people to look into their car or see them when they're driving them. Getting some nice ceramic tint is super nice, mostly because you can get some dark tint and the interior of the car doesn't get as dark as the regular tint. As someone that actually got the cheaper tint versus the ceramic tint, I would strongly recommend the ceramic. Sure, you might pay a little bit more, but man, getting that dark tint and having that dark interior at night freaking sucks. To roll down my windows to be able to see in my neighborhood. Also, don't tint past the legal limit. I'm not saying to or not to, just make sure you follow the law is all. Let's say you did everything on this list, but when you got the wheels and coils, you didn't upgrade your tires. This is the next thing I would do, would be to upgrade your tires, because you'd be surprised how much grabbing grippier tires for your car makes a difference. You won't feel the tires spinning as much, and it'll actually grab when you're driving the car hard. And if you did upgrade your tires, another one that I would recommend is a short shift kit. This is only for manual cars because you can't put a short shifter on an automatic transmission. A short shift kit will make the throws on your shift stick a lot shorter and tighter, so it'll reduce the slap in your transmission. If you have one like mine that's super sloshy and it just feels bad, it should tighten everything up and make it feel way crispier when you shift. I'd love to hear what you guys are building. Go ahead and drop a comment and let me know what you're building and how your build's coming along. If you guys enjoyed my list, go ahead and hit that like button. Remember to drive safe because somebody loves you, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.